if you're going to be a bridesmaid to your sister or BFF sometime soon, you're probably already looking for some makeup looks, right? Well, you've just got lucky. Hi guys, I'm Sanya and today I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself easy Indian bridesmaid look that will work well with different kinds of jewelry and outfits. Before I begin, if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. A great person once said that behind every great makeup routine, there's an equally amazing skincare routine. Okay, no one said that, but it should definitely be a thing. Well-prepped skin not only makes it a smoother canvas for foundation application, but it also helps your makeup stay longer. So before I get into my makeup routine, I'm going to show you how I prep my skin to get that flawless looking makeup. I have already cleansed my skin and now I'm going to apply a serum, which is a skin-loving elixir of nutrients, antioxidants and potent ingredients that deliver this burst of glow-inducing properties to my face. My go-to serum is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Brightening Face Serum. Just take a few drops and pat it onto the skin until it's completely absorbed. This lightweight, non-sticky serum is infused with niacinamide trivitamin complex that boosts skin's radiance and improves uneven skin tone and moisturizes and nourishes the skin, giving you a glow you've been pining forever. And then I'm going to top it off with an illuminating moisturizer, which is the Lakme Lumi Cream. Now ask anyone who's into makeup and you'll find that a glow from within is all they're pining for this wedding season. It's a perfect mix of skincare plus makeup, which means that it won't just hydrate your skin but will also create an instant 3D highlighted effect. This step wards off any dryness and adds luminosity to the base. Now that my skincare bit is done, let's jump straight into creating the makeup look. So first I'll start off by applying a primer which will act as a layer between my skin and makeup, ensuring it will blur the pores, conceal the fine lines and hydrate the skin. My go-to primer is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I highly recommend using primer when creating bridesmaid wedding look because it will help your makeup last a really long time. साथ ही ये blurring primer skin imperfections जैसे कि large pores को fill करेगा और आपके चेहरे को mattified रखेगा for a long time. For the base, I want to create a natural dewy skin-like finish. For that reason, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Foundation. Dot the foundation all over your face and neck and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. This serum in a foundation is loaded with super skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, which hydrates the face while giving medium to full coverage. Now I'm going to set the base with a compact so it won't crack mid-function. I'm only going to use it on the T-zone area so that the sides of the face still remain dewy. Today I'm using the Lakme 925 Wet and Dry Compact. Just dab it on the T-zone for a smooth, long-lasting matte finish. This compact is extremely lightweight and blends easily into the skin without making it look cakey. Okay, so now for the eyes, मैं bronze smoky eye look करने वाली हूँ. The earthiness of bronze tone colors tends to flatter a wide range of Indian skin tones. So no matter the wedding function, no matter the outfit, when in doubt, opt for bronze. मैंने अपने eyelids को already prep कर लिया है by applying a little bit of concealer and powder. I'm going to start by roughly tracing a brown eye pencil across the upper lash line, crease and lower lash line. This doesn't need to be done perfectly, so don't fuss too much over the lines. फिर small blending brush की मदद से blend out all the kajal till you notice a soft smoky transition. After this, I'm going to dip into this beautiful bronze shade using a flat shader brush. This is from the Lakme Absolute Explore Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Desert Sunset. If you haven't already got your hands on this palette, then you must, because the shades in this palette are richly pigmented, velvety smooth, easily blendable and will suit a lot of occasions. So go ahead and pat the shimmer bronze shade all over the eyelids and blend out the harsh edges with this matte shade using a pointed blending brush. और अब मैं एक brown kajal use करूँगी to rim the lower waterline. For the lower lash line, I'm going to dab a little bit of bronze shade. Finally, to highlight the inner corners of the eyes, I'm going to dot this champagne-inspired shade in the innermost part of the eye. And with that, the eye look is done. Lastly, apply a generous coat of mascara. If you like, you can also apply falsies to really amp up the look. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. Just wiggle and swipe on the upper and lower lashes and you're done. This mascara is waterproof and smudge proof, which means it won't ruin your makeup while you shed a tear in the wedding or bust a move in the barat. Time to define, add color and highlight to the best features of the face using the multi-purpose palette. It's the Lakme Facelift palette in the shade Sun-Kissed Glow. Using an angled contour brush, I'll first dip into the bronzer and apply it on the hollow areas of my face. This bronzer has buildable coverage, so you can apply more if need be, but I suggest don't overdo it. Then I'll sweep on the blush using the blush brush on cheeks and blend it upwards towards the sides of the temple for a lifted effect. Build on the color gradually for a more natural effect. And then I'll highlight on the highest points of my face. The highlighter is super pigmented and has a subtle radiance too. Now for the lips, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Color in the shade Blushing Red. This red lip color not only looks great on most Indian skin tones, but it can easily work for any occasion too. This lightweight formula has a really nice color payoff. It has a smooth and creamy texture that sets with a matte finish, which means it'll neither dry out the lips nor do they crumble. Okay guys, it's time to wear my outfit, jewelry, and then we can cue the beauty shots. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डू रिंग द बेल आइकॉन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस. बाय.